What is it?
It's a trunk organizer for groceries.
So it's literally your grocery getter.
It is literally my grocery getter.
And this is the grocery getter back here. Nishant,
Hey,
what is up? How's it going, man?
good man, good.
So we made the drive down, and here it is. Tell us a little bit about your new RS6.
So she just got back from a custom headliner and a flat bottom steering wheel. So what we're trying to do is take the RS6, the Tribute, and make it as close to the Jubilee Edition that they released initially. So a couple of things that we've done. We've taken the Tribute, started with the 1 of 25, and started with the initially imported the front grills and the front splitter, swapped out the mirror caps, and then the next piece was taking it to European spec, which it should have come with a custom built flat bottom steering wheel with a matching blue stitching, denim stitching, and an Alcantara headliner. And here's the kicker for the headliner. So the guy was so cool that he said, hey, we have to do something special with the headliner, and decided that we would get some blue stitching on the headliner itself to match the seats.
Cool.
Another thing, missing piece was the organizer. Of course, this is going to be a grocery getter, so for my kids. So we've got to get the organizer and get all the Publix bags in there. And it's kind of a cool feature. Well, let me show you some party tricks of this car. I think the coolest feature my 7 and 5-year-old are going to love about this car is this. So you come up, and as you walk up, open up the car, and there you go. How cool is that? That is pretty cool. Yeah.
That's the best part of the car, right there.
I think when I go home on Saturday, that's what my kids are going to be wanting to do with me, is just look at these lights going on and off.
Awesome. So like, what are your plans as far as like performance upgrades or anything like that? What do you sort of want to do with the build?
So she's already got a MTM stage 1 M-Cantronic. So she's putting out, she came stock with 591 and 590 torque. She's putting out 722 horsepower with 700 torque. And another thing that I wanted to change out was the stock exhaust. So we went with the Evolution line of the Akrapovic exhaust, which just sounds amazing, both stock when it's running in comfort mode as well as in sport mode. Still the build's in progress. We've got another few things going in tonight, some more European spec interior parts. Thanks to UroTuning, we've partnered with Maxton Design. There's going to be a body kit and also some titanium bolts specifically built for this car.
Cool. And we'll be installing that tomorrow, so we'll definitely have some more video of that.
Sounds good.
Looks awesome. Yeah, go for it.
Manual sport in RS1 mode. Let's go.
What's going on here?
The car's driving itself. It's unreal. It's following the lanes. Man, the steering wheel changes. Oh, that's telling me to put my hands on the steering wheel. That is crazy.